Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Enter the efficient world of demolition, where towering structures and buildings are skillfully dismantled. This intricate process employs controlled explosions, wrecking balls, and high-reach excavators, combining precision and power. Skilled professionals strategically weaken and disassemble structures, ensuring safety and minimal environmental impact. From urban renewal to removing obsolete buildings, this synergy of technology and expertise shapes the landscape for new possibilities. If you've experienced demolition firsthand or have thoughts to share, comment below and stay tuned for more innovative construction updates. Explore the realm of green space maintenance with the ploughinig Eco 1200. This innovative machine sets new standards in the care and preservation of public parks, gardens, and urban green areas. With its cutting-edge features and unmatched precision, it guarantees that these natural havens are maintained in impeccable condition. From sprawling city parks to meticulously curated botanical gardens, the ploughinig Eco 1200 takes center stage in elevating the aesthetics and sustainability of these vital urban spaces. This remarkable technology is revolutionizing the care of green spaces, contributing to the creation of more vibrant and environmentally conscious urban landscapes. Dive into the world of tree transportation with the Dutchman 600i and Dutchman 500i. These specialized machines redefine efficiency and safety in the delicate task of moving trees. Advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology ensure the seamless transportation of trees, whether for landscaping, reforestation, or urban development projects. From nurseries to construction sites, these equipment combinations play a crucial role in preserving and relocating trees, supporting environmental sustainability, and supporting green initiatives. Delve into the world of fence installation with the process of creating a grid for the fence. This essential step combines precision and planning to lay the foundation for a secure and well-structured fence. Experts carefully measure and mark the locations for fence posts, ensuring even spacing and alignment. This grid serves as the framework upon which the fence will be built, providing stability and support. Whether it's for residential privacy, agricultural enclosures, or security barriers, creating a grid is a fundamental part of the fence installation process, ensuring the final result is both functional and visually appealing. Today we're delving into the complex world of unloading crane installation, a crucial endeavor that underpins efficient cargo handling in ports and terminals. As we focus on the remarkable offloading STS crane Mitsui ENMTS, we uncover a pinnacle of engineering prowess. This machine stands as a testament to human ingenuity, adeptly facilitating the seamless transfer of substantial loads between vessels and storage zones. Witness how the installation of the offloading STS crane Mitsui ENMTS transforms port landscapes, playing a vital role in optimizing logistics and global trade networks. Our attention now shifts to the fundamental practice of plowing, an agricultural cornerstone that lays the groundwork for successful planting. Highlighting this process are the cutting-edge tools, the Kverneland PG7 Vario and Fendt 828, pioneers of modern plowing. These machines excel in turning over the soil to achieve the ideal seedbed preparation, ensuring optimal conditions for crops to flourish. Witness how the combined efforts of technology and tradition contribute to sustainable farming practices and bountiful harvests. Delve into the efficient process of silage cutting with the Josh Deere 6A10 and Massey Ferguson A250. These agricultural machines excel at harvesting and preserving forage crops for livestock feed. Utilizing cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, they ensure the precise and optimal cutting of silage, contributing to reduced waste and the production of high-quality animal feed. From dairy farms to livestock operations, these machines are essential for supporting healthy and productive herds. Step into the world of high-pressure water jetting, a technique that harnesses the formidable force of water to intricately clean and precisely cut through surfaces. From industrial cleaning tasks to meticulous surface preparation, this method boasts unparalleled versatility across a multitude of applications. Witness how high-pressure water jetting not only expedites cleaning processes, but also offers a meticulous approach to tasks that demand precision and efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest agricultural innovations. Delve into the world of soil fertilization, a fundamental practice in agriculture that combines science and precision to optimize crop growth. This essential process involves the careful application of fertilizers to enrich the soil with essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are crucial for plant health and productivity. By utilizing advanced technology, farmers can precisely tailor fertilizer applications to meet the specific needs of their crops, promoting healthier plants, higher yields, and sustainable farming practices. From traditional methods to cutting-edge precision agriculture techniques, soil fertilization plays a pivotal role in feeding our growing global population and supporting food security. Delve into the world of roadside cleaning, a crucial operation that keeps our roadways safe and beautiful. This essential process involves the meticulous removal of debris, litter, and overgrown vegetation from roadsides. By employing advanced machinery and skilled personnel, roadside cleaning enhances road safety and contributes to the overall aesthetics of our communities. From urban streets to rural highways, explore the methods and technologies that drive this vital service, ensuring cleaner and safer roads for everyone. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!